Hey guys, I'm in the process of creating, well, I guess it's a mix between a card game, role-playing game, adventure game, and a superhero game. I don't even know what the name of it will be yet. Maybe you guys can help me out with that. Anyway, I know I'm going to base it off of my original comic book series, The Protectors of the Native Order, G-Man, SAS, and Indigos. So they will feature heroes and villains from all of those books. I have the idea of the gameplay down. It should be pretty fun, good for the whole family type thing, and even have some teamwork and strategy involved. Although I do want to make it so that you can play the game by yourself too, if you choose. I've always wanted to create a card game based on my heroes, but actually put the player or players as the hero, so you can make decisions to help you and your family or friends complete a mission, solve a quest, or save the world, something like that. And no matter how many times you play, you always have a different experience or outcome. I used to love those choose your own adventure books when I was little, so I want to put a little bit of that into this. Anyway, this is pretty much how I'm starting this process. Just making some sketches, looking at some pictures of how I envision this experience should be, just to get my vision solid on what direction I should go. So you can see that when I start a project, it's usually not so clear cut up front. I have a general idea or feeling of where I want to go, and then I just start repeating the things I know I want included to give it a certain look or feel. In this case, definitely a card game. So I start designing the card and what attributes I want on the card, how I want these cards to interact with other players' cards or opponent cards, how I want the player or players to feel when they use certain cards against others, stuff like that. So in the next video, I'll probably talk more about designing the final look of the card or getting the gameplay and rules down, maybe even show some final looks of the card. Maybe not, I don't know. We'll just see where this goes or where the next video will take us. I do know one thing, it will eventually take us to the end result, which will be one cool, fun, family-friendly RPG adventure card game starring you, the hero. Until the next one, take care.